Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see 4 brain teaser and how to solve it. Before that, let's see the last week puzzle's answer. This is the solution. Let's see the first question. If you want to do it, pause the video and you can try this sum. Explanation. We have to find the average rate of a car. See the picture. The car is traveling x distance and it is traveling back the same distance. So the distance d1 and the distance d2 both are equal. And the speed s1 is equal to 20 miles per hour and the speed s2 is equal to 60 miles per hour. Now let's write the given data. Okay, now if you are using the formula s1 plus s2 upon 2, we will get the answer as 40 miles per hour. It is wrong because we have to find the average rate of a car, not the average of the speed. So the formula is average rate is equal to total distance upon total time. Okay, so first we have to find the total distance. Total distance is equal to d1 plus d2. Both are equal to x. So the answer is 2x. Now let's find the total time. The total time is equal to t1 plus t2. In the question, the time is not given. So we have to find it using the formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed. T1 is equal to d1 upon s1. We know d1 is equal to x and s1 is equal to 20. So t1 is equal to x upon 20. The same way, let's find the t2, which is equal to x upon 60. Now what is total time? t1 plus t2, which is equal to x upon 20 plus x upon 60. So after calculation, we get the answer as x upon 15. Now we know the total distance and total time. Let's find the average rate. So average rate is equal to 2x upon x by 15, which is equal to 2x upon x multiplied with 15. So the answer is 30 miles per hour. The average rate of a car is 30 miles per hour. This is about Terry age and Alice age. We have to find Terry age. Okay, the first sentence is Terry is half as old as Alice. This Terry age is equal to half Alice age. So let's take Terry age as T and Alice age as A. See the next sentence. When Alice was 5 years older than Terry. Okay, Alice was. So Alice A is equal to 5 years older than Terry. So T plus 5. In the same question, if they have given Alice was 5 years younger, then we have to put T minus 5. It is older. So we are putting A is equal to T plus 5. Let's substitute A is equal to T plus 5 in the first equation. We will get T is equal to 1 by 2. Instead of A, let's write T plus 5. T plus 5. So now we are multiplying 2 on both the sides. We get 2T is equal to T plus 5. T is equal to 5. So Terry is 5 years old. Let's see the next question. Here they have given 354 into 357, 355 into 356. We have to find which is greater. Okay, to solve this question in few seconds, let's see a shortcut method. Here I have given different expression 213 into 215, 212 into 214. Okay, if you see this, the 100th place are same, the 10th place are same, only the ones place are different. Okay, to find which is greater, just add the ones place. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. So the first one is greater. The next one, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So the first one is greater. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So the second one is greater. See the fourth one. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, when we get the same answer while adding, we have to multiply. 1 into 5 is 5. 2 into 4 is 8. So the second one is the greater one. First we have to add only if the answer are same, then we have to multiply, then we have to find which is greater one. Okay, we are using the same method for the given question. See here, 354 into 357, 355 into 356. Let's add 4 plus 7, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay, now both are same. So we have to find by multiplying. So 4 into 7 is 28. 5 into 6 is 30. Therefore, the second expression is the correct answer. So the second expression is greater. Okay, there is also another method to find this. Let's see. This is a technique which is given in the book. There are more than 7 ways to answer this. Okay, so the simplest way they have given, this is one of the simplest way. They are dividing both the expression with 356 into 354. Then we are getting the fraction. We are converting this into the mixed fraction 1 upon 356 and 1 upon 354. Then we are telling the second quantity is the greater. So this is also another method to solve the same type of question. The method I said is one of the shortcut. Okay, now let's go for the next question. In this they have given Sunday. So let's write down Sunday. See the question. If 2 days from now will be Sunday. So we know between Saturday and Sunday there is 1 day gap. Between Friday and Sunday there are 2 days gap. So what is the answer? It is the Friday. For this sentence the answer is Friday. Now the day before yesterday, if 2 days from now will be Sunday. So what is the day before yesterday of Friday? If it is yesterday, it is Thursday. Day before yesterday, it is Wednesday. So for this entire sentence, the answer is Wednesday. Now see, what day follows the remaining question? So they are asking what day follows Wednesday. So answer is Thursday. Okay, so Thursday is the final answer. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel.